Moni nde ku USA pa 6 July nzimayi uyu wa zaka 36 Sonia Masi anayimba foni ku polisi kunena kuti anaona munthu akuzungulira ku nyumba kwake ndi amafuna amuthandize. Apolisi aja anabwera kuzungulira koma polisi mmodzi anamuombera iye mutu katatu popanda chifukwa mpaka anaphedwa. Anana amapolisi kuti iye amafuna kundithira madzi otentha. Panopo polisi wachotsedwa ntchito am'manga akuzengedwa mlandu wokupha. Taonani zochitika ku USA video yake.
We don't need a fire while we're here.
Right. Let me see. Okay.
Huh?
Where you going?
Away from your hot steaming water.
Away from my hot steaming water?
Yeah.
Oh, I would rebuke you in the name of Jesus.
Huh?
Rebuke you in the name of
You better not. I swear to God, I'll shoot you right in your face.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Drop the pot! Drop the pot! Drop the
19 shots fired.
Shots fired! Drop the pot! Bring EMS now. We got a headshot wound to the female. Headshot wound to the female. 1078. No, she had boiling water and came at me with boiling water.
You shot her?
Yeah. She said she was going to rebuke me in the name of Jesus and came out with boiling water. That's what all this is. I was standing right here.